Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel app tutorial. Today in this video, let's learn about how to disconnect another OnlyFans account. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for OnlyFans. You can use the app as well. Let's get into this. Make sure you are logged into it. Now we need to click on this profile icon in the bottom right and click on settings. Over here we can see account option. Now if you scroll down, we can see connect another OnlyFans account over here under connected accounts. And if you have already connected, you'll be able to see the list over here. And simply open it and you can see the connected account over here. Once you enter it, here we'll be able to see disconnect option. Simply tap on that to disconnect it if you're already connected to it. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.